Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the adapter fits your laptop port and that you have a functioning Ethernet cable. Plug the adapter firmly into the laptop, then insert the cable into the adapter and router. Once done, make sure Windows or Mac OS recognizes the device. Look for a network icon change. If drivers are required, allow the system to install them automatically or use the adapter's driver package. This immediate connection gets you past the physical setup and into configuration quickly. After the physical link is established, you configure the network so traffic flows. Open your OS network settings and enable the Ethernet interface. You'll typically accept DHCP for automatic IP addressing. If your environment needs a static IP, enter the address, gateway, and DNS values now. Next, check link speed and duplex. Make sure it negotiated to 100 or 1000 megabits and full duplex for optimal throughput. Once configured, test by pinging a site or loading a page to confirm connectivity. You finish by validating performance. Run a speed test and use common apps to confirm stability. If you don't get a link, reseat the cable and adapter, try another router port, and reboot the laptop. Intermittent contacts are common causes. If problems persist, update or reinstall the adapter driver and inspect adapter LEDs for power/link indicators. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap the Ethernet cable with a known good one. Faulty cables are a frequent, quick-to-fix issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.